Namaskar. Today we'll be talking about the skin care of young children and toddlers. I, Dr. Sonali Langar, Senior Dermatologist, Noida and Ghaziabad, will share few tips which will enlighten you how to take care of your young children and kids. So let's start with a very basic schedule of taking care of the skin. It should not be very over enthusiastic. Number one will be start with regular bathing. The bathing should be regular, and whenever you're bathing the child, make sure you're using lukewarm water. The pH of the soap which you're using should be neutral so that it is skin friendly. You should not be very aggressive in rubbing the skin with soap. Be gentle because the skin of the toddler and young children is delicate, and harsh massaging or harsh application of soap can lead to excessive dryness and lead to dermatitis. So after you have taken bath, mop the child's skin with a towel. The mopping should be gentle, it should not be very aggressive. And after mopping, when the skin is little moist, you can apply moisturizing lotion. The moisturizing lotion should be with a good oil content, and make sure it is not cosmetically very appealable. That is, it should not have any fragrance and it should not have any coloring agent. The moisturizer should be applied regularly all over the skin. If the child's skin is dry, you can apply the moisturizer twice in a day. That is once in the morning and the other at night. And if the child's skin is normal to oily, you can apply the moisturizer directly after bathing alone. Now coming on to sunscreens. If the child has good outdoor activity, then you can give a sunscreen, but make sure the sunscreen is a physical one. It does not contain chemicals. So you can choose a sunscreen which contains zinc oxide, or simple calamine lotion can also do the trick. And very important, because you have to take care of the child's skin, please make sure that the child wears full sleeves cotton clothes whenever going out. Now coming to contrary belief, using oil on the scalp and using oil on the body will not do much benefit to the child's skin. It is very surprising that oil can contain allergens which can irritate few children and toddlers and lead to skin irritation and dermatitis. So it's beneficial that you avoid using oil on the skin and scalp in the young children. I hope this information has been beneficial to you all, and this will help you in maintaining your toddler's skin healthy and beautiful. Thank you.